Welcome. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple and important guide on how to set the sound for emergency alerts on the X app. Emergency alerts are crucial for staying informed about urgent situations, and customizing the sound can help you recognize these alerts instantly. So, let's get started step by step. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you control all your apps and notification preferences. Next, scroll and tap on Apps. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. From the list, find and tap on the X app. This opens the app-specific settings, including permissions and notifications. Now, tap on Notifications. This section lets you manage how and when the X app notifies you, giving you control over the alert types. Look for notification categories and tap on it. Some apps group their notifications into categories, and you'll find specific settings here. Find and tap on Emergency Alerts. This is the category for urgent notifications that the app sends for emergencies. Finally, tap on Sound. You will now see a list of available sounds on your device. Choose the sound you prefer for your emergency alerts. Pick one that grabs your attention immediately, but isn't too startling. And that's it. Once you select your preferred sound, your X app emergency alerts will play that sound, helping you stay aware and safe without missing any critical notifications. Remember, customizing these alert sounds ensures you know when something important is happening, without being confused by generic tones. It's a small change with a big impact on your day-to-day safety. Thanks for watching.